My brand new forge. I just picked it up. I just cut the tape off the box. So, a little assembly required. Gun GY? Gun J? I don't know. So far I'm liking it. Alright, comes with some big old heavy grabbers for the crucible. Got parts inside. Ooh, there's a nice big crucible. This is 8 kilogram. Big old crucible. Look at that bad boy. And then regulator for the propane tank. So far it's looking like everything I need. And the forge. Alright. There it is. Here's my tube for controlling the heat. Nice. I think there's another part that goes to that, though. I may be wrong. Not a whole lot for instructions. Nope, there's not another part, so let's see. Yeah, we got everything. Nice. Well, that's I got some marketplace for 50 bucks, so I'm pretty excited. I've been using this electric one, but it burns the elements out a lot when I try to do copper. It doesn't like that real high temperature. And my crucible's shot, but it works good for like silver and stuff and brass, so. But copper, and mainly copper is what I want this for. So there it is, brand new.